My countryman with a pitchfork in his hand.
I think these folks lying to me.
Oh, we could have bought for this. But bought me a couple of outfits, a new pair of shoes. So we got, pot for, figure out where I'm gonna put her at. Babe, our old home is coming along. Our old fixer-upper.
Yeah! Yeah!
Hey y'all, welcome. Thanks for joining me. I'm Chawnta and this is Tutt Tips. So if you hear some stuff in the background, we're doing some home updates today. Everybody's busy working. The kids outside. Terrence is doing some work in the one of the bedrooms. I'm about to go in there and see if I can help him. So if you're not new here, you know we have an old fixer-upper. If you are new here, welcome. I hope you subscribe and thanks for joining me today. So today I'm going to show y'all some of the recent updates we've made. You know, we're slowly but surely getting things done around here. Let me show y'all what's been going on around here. Alright y'all, so since my last home updates video, we've started renovating my son's room. His room it's in bad condition. And that's what I'm going to show y'all first before I show y'all all the other things. Because this is the biggest thing that's happened since our last home updates video. We have to update the ceiling, the floors, the walls, the doors. In this room, everything just needs to be updated in this room. So, windows, anything you can think of. So far, King Tut's been doing the tear down. But don't worry, we'll all be in here working and helping him out. Alright y'all, King Tut in here getting busy on the floors.
Yeah, in slides. Look at that. Boy, you need to stop. I don't recommend you working in slides, okay?
I didn't know he was going to be doing this today, y'all. I'm in there editing the vlog, the Bahamas Cruise vlog, so y'all make sure y'all go check that out.
Yeah, well, I was just chilling, y'all, and then I just decided to get in here and do a little work. So that's just what happened.
I know. I'm thinking he about to have a relaxed day. He done got in here.
Well, that's what I planned on. But here I am. In my slides.
Well, good. This is how you get shit done. So we found out, y'all, that under the carpet they had some kind of old flooring under here. I can't tell what it is. What type of flooring.
Some kind of little cheap plastic tile.
Look, everybody's doing something. Everybody's busy. The kids out here burning the leaves. I'm editing a video for y'all. The Tut's getting it done today. Right, y'all. Look, this is the bedroom now. King Tut been in here getting busy. Look at it. Got a little setup over here. We can just open up the window and chuck the trash up in there. My baby, he's so smart, y'all. I believe I showed y'all this right here. Now, I don't know what in the world were they doing. What's that all about? Just looks raggedy. Look at that work. Alright y'all, we in Lowe's.
Everything $60.
Y'all. Alright y'all, we in Lowe's picking up a pitchfork for our compost pile. This is what the price is looking like for a pitchfork.
Oh, this thing was going to be about $25. Is that inflation? What's going on here? Pitchfork's always been that high.
My countryman with a pitchfork in his hand.
I think these folks lying to me.
That's our cart right here, babe. We're looking for something to store the hose in the backyard in, y'all. So at first I wanted to go with something cute, like a little pot or something. Oh, that's okay, thank you. But this ain't gonna prevent the hose from getting all nasty and dirty in the weather or whatever.
No, it's gonna get worse actually because
Right,
the
it's gonna
water
be.
and that's gonna be sitting in it.
So this one right here. It look like it's pretty close to our color too of the house, huh?
Yeah.
These little touches matter, y'all, and having your house look neat. How much is these things? $79? Lord, I tell y'all, it's expensive to get your house looking right. You know what we could have bought for this? We bought me a couple of outfits, a new pair of shoes. But we got to get the house right. Oh, I like these right here. Huh. So what I'm trying to do soon as well is our front door. I want to get 2 big pots to go on the side of the front door, the front entrance. I haven't decided yet what type of plant I'm going to put out there.
Alright, y'all, so one more thing I wanted to tell y'all is that I'm fixing a shake right now. And so this what made me think of what I'm about to tell y'all. So we started composting. I am going to share that journey with y'all. We started a compost pile in our backyard. So the stuff that I'm putting in my shake, today I got some kiwi that I already cut up and put in the shake, and banana. And this is organic fruit, so we're going to try to make sure that only organic stuff go into our composting pile. So we're going to get this together so that we can use this as have our own fertilizer and things like that. I'll go in more detail. So I just wanted to just give y'all a heads up and let y'all know that we have started composting. So I'll show y'all what our composting pile looks like and give you more details of that sometime this summer. And I'll probably put that in its own separate playlist because that might not be everybody's thing, everybody's cup of tea. So this ain't nothing pretty to look at, but I'm going to cut up the kiwi and the banana so we can throw it in the dirt and mix it up well. It's in the corner of our yard right now, back in the back. Got a whole little setup. So stay tuned for that. So one thing I can't wait to fix as well is the lighting situation in this kitchen. And what's something else we have on the list? Y'all see that? It hangs real low. It's in an awkward spot and it hangs real low. I'll show y'all one day what all I put in my shake. I'll do a video. This is one of the things I use in every single shake every day. It's got a lot of health benefits. I also put black seed in there every day. So I'll show y'all that in another video. So this is my first snake plant, y'all. So it's a snake plant, also known as the mother-in-law's tongue. I ordered it from Grounded. I found out about this spot from a friend. This is going to be in the master bedroom, I believe. Ooh. Oh, and of course I got a namer, y'all. About a year ago. What's all this, y'all? Is this just to keep the soil in there? I'm assuming that's what that was. What is this? So I'm going to have to get a pot for her, figure out where I'm going to put her at in the master bedroom. I'll show y'all where I end up putting her. Y'all know why they call it the mother-in-law's tongue, right? Because it's the pointy ends of the leaves, how sharp and pointy they are. That's why they refer to this plant as the mother-in-law's tongue. Oh, what I'm gonna call her? I'm gonna call her Ruby. So y'all know my other plant is a peace lily, and I call her Sookie. Sookie now. This one I'm gonna call her Ruby, and I'm naming her after the mother-in-law on Blackish. Y'all watch Blackish? Ruby Johnson. That's who this is. Ruby Johnson. Ruby Johnson. Ruby Johnson. Hey, Ruby. I'm gonna have to show y'all Sookie real quick.
Alright, y'all. So this is Sookie now, okay? This is Sookie. This was my first plant. Now, actually, when I say first plant, I mean like my first plant in, I'll say, about 15 years. So I'm starting my plant journey again 15 years later since my last plants. And this was my first one. She's a peace lily. And look at this, y'all. I don't know what to do, so I'll talk about her more in another video. They say when that happens, it could be too much sun, not enough sun, too much water or not enough water. It could be the fertilizer that you chose. It can be all sorts of things. So right now, Sookie and I, we struggling. We're trying to figure out which, how to help her out. So we'll see. I do have a video that's posted underneath my vlogs, I believe it is, when I first got her, so y'all can see what she looked like when I first got her, and when the blooms were coming in and things like that. So now I'm trying to decide if I just need to get a new plant, start over, a new peace lily, or if I need to just be a little bit more patient. Right now, I'm being a little bit more patient with her, but I don't know if I'm going to need to just get a new peace lily. I feel bad for y'all. Sookie, what's wrong, girl? What's been going on?
Alright, y'all, so let me tell y'all some of my renovation dramas and living in a fixer-upper, renovating while you're living in the home, issues that we got going on right now. So we have an event coming up. We have some guests visiting soon, and there's a lot of stuff that won't get done before the guests get here, so that's a pain in the neck. One of the things on the list is the guest bathroom. Y'all know how important it is to have a nice, comfortable, clean, situation going on in the bathroom. So the only problem with the guest bathroom right now that I wanted fixed was the bathtub, the shower tub combo. That's not going to be able to get fixed. We may be able to do some caulking before they arrive, but that's it. Oh, one thing we may be able to do is the bathroom door, y'all. The bathroom door look horrible. It's so old, it's so raggedy, it's so horrible. Even when it's cleaned, it looks dirty. Like, oh my goodness, y'all. If y'all see my other videos, y'all seen the door situation in this house. The guest bathroom door is one of the worst doors. So we should be able to scoot over to Lowe's or Home Depot and pick up a new door and get that done. So that's good, because I don't want people sitting on the toilet, because it's not a huge bathroom, and then they staring at the door, and you see one thing dirty in the bathroom, you think everything like it's a dirty house or a dirty bathroom. But that door, when you clean it, it just still does not look clean. That's how bad and old it is, y'all. So that should be done before the guests arrive, okay? Thank goodness. What else did we want to get done? Well, of course, we wanted the bedroom to be done, so, we'll have places for the guests to sleep, and they won't have to sleep in the living room. So we'll make that work somehow. We'll fix that. I'm going to show y'all the door, the front door. That's one thing I wanted done, so, y'all. We friends, we family. If I'm just showing y'all the good, the bad, and the ugly, because I can't believe I'm about to put this raggedy front door on camera.
Alright, y'all, so here's the front door. Here's what's wrong with it. So the door was white when we moved in. We painted it, but we need to do the framing around it, update the framing. See this? See how old and raggedy? The old homeowners didn't have a screen door, so the door got damaged from all the rain, the humidity, the weather.
But this is an eyesore to me. If we don't get it done before then, oh well, you know, things could be worse. Haven't decided if we're just going to repaint this door or if we're going to get a whole new door, but the priority is the framing around the door. This is the situation, y'all. Alright, y'all, so that's another thing on the to-do list. So I am happy with how far along we came. This home has come a long, long way. I still love the process. I still don't regret the choice of buying an old home and fixing it up. But I do wish I had hit the lottery or something, or I hit it and I can just get everything done as fast as they get it done on HGTV, y'all. But that's not the case. So I'm just making sure that no matter how small or how big the project is, that I am appreciating it and that I am grateful for it, and I'm still finding fun in this process, and I'm having fun sharing it with y'all. And y'all just wait till I get this house done. It's gonna be beautiful. Y'all wait.